Airbus UK Broughton, Bala Town, Cwmbran Celtic, Port Talbot Town, the New Saint, Newtown, Cardiff Met University, Gap Connah's Quay. It's quarter-finals time for the JD Welsh Cup. Ahead of the quarter-finals of the JD Welsh Cup, FAWTV has come to the Quay campus, home of Cardiff Met University.
Great opportunity for the boys. As you can probably see, everyone's looking forward to it. It's great to go far in the Welsh Cup. As a group of players here, this is the furthest that we've come in the last couple of years. So yeah, looking forward to it. We played Airbus last year and we're starting last year, so we've sort of seen the sort of standard we expect to come up against. But we've got a group of boys here who I think are more than capable of going and getting a result really. With the coverage as well, it's hopefully draw a couple more people. Boys' parents, boys' friends, obviously students that live locally as well. Hopefully they all sort of come, make for a good atmosphere and obviously make for a good occasion as well.
It's a progression, it's hard work. We laid foundations 6 years ago and we've slowly built on those progressions. We always knew it would never be a revolution, it was all about an evolution of the football club, and that's exactly what it's been done, and now we're starting to see that fruition. We can never say we've arrived, I think we're always arriving somewhere, and that's important for us that we progress all the way through and beyond, not just this weekend, towards the end of the season as well. Connah's Quay have been a Premier League club for a while now, and we've, as I said, slowly been moving in the right direction, and it will be a test of our players' abilities and characters at the weekend. For me, it's about the players being able to showcase their talents at the weekend, and I know my players very, very well. I know the abilities they have. We know it's going to be a fight, it's going to be tough, but we've also got our strengths as well, and that's something we're going to really work on. One thing about the teams that I work with, they'll be full of fight, commitment, we'll play football in the right manner, and then hopefully cause a upset.
We've been a bit lazy this month and decided to hand over the camera work to one of the Cardiff Met University players. So let's go and take a look at the life of a Cardiff Met student ahead of a big game in the JD Welsh Cup.
Oh, thanks, Robbie. That's what you see if we walk up, isn't it? Busy today, mate? Nah, not really. A few lectures here and there. Here we go. What a place. Coffee? Coffee, please. Coffee. Lattes, yeah. Indeed, with caramel in them. We're not going out. Cheers, mate. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Morning, Jem.
You can watch the match between Cardiff Met University and Gap Connah's Quay live on S4C in front of the Scodio cameras on Saturday evening. The semi-final draw of the JD Welsh Cup will take place on Saturday after the match between Cardiff Met University and Gap Connah's Quay.